Hey guys, it is Robin the Lady Biker, and guess what? We're finally on Highway 1. Check this out. And I finally got Allie on camera, or a camera on his helmet anyway.
Yay.
Oh my gosh, love, you are just too funny some days. All right, anyway. Okay guys, so sorry. We were riding along a little bit ago. We've finally come onto Highway 1, and the last time we were here was May of 2020, I believe. Does that sound right, babe?
Yep, sounds great.
Anyway, almost no one on here. There were some people, but it was very, very limited. Now, packed. Completely and utterly packed. So guys, and we still have a bit of marine layer, so we're going to be showing you a few things throughout the day as we go, but whether there's marine layer, and I'm going to tell you this, you don't ride Highway 1 to ride fast at all. You ride to see views like that. There we go. What are we going to do here, guys? But yeah, you definitely are not riding it fast. You have to take your time. And if you like to hike, there's plenty of places to stop and hike along the various different preserves and whatnot. So guys, as we get started and get rolling, I hope y'all enjoy some of the stuff that we're going to show you. Hang on. Hey guys, we stopped here at Fernwood. Yeah, Fernwood. Say hi. We stopped here at Fernwood. It is in Big Sur, right here off of Highway 1, and we're gonna grab some lunch. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous?
Follow the course of the road.
I mean, it's a beautiful location here. I think we stopped here last year as well, and it was just such a phenomenal location. We decided to stop again. Now, so far as you've seen, we've been riding with the marine layer, but as the day's going on, we're hoping it's going to clear out because, oh my gosh, it's just so spectacular to see the coast, and it's so different than where we live, because down on the Rincon we're more in the beaches, but here it's just the rugged coastline, and it is truly beautiful. So we're going to grab a little bit of lunch, get back on the bikes, and keep heading south, and we'll catch up with you on the road. Hey guys, well, kind of happened this way last year too. Allie and I stopped off at Fernwood, and well, before we got there, it was cloudy, marine layer, it was cold. We stopped at Fernwood, had lunch, and the sun's working hard to break through it all, so it's turning out to be really, really pretty. And as you can tell, we've swapped riding positions, and personally, I kind of like the view from back here. But that's just me. Oh, the change in the terrain here just always, it continues to surprise me. I mean, as you've seen, even just in the ride so far, it's gone from these coastal plains to rugged cliff sides. We rode through, Big Sur is always gorgeous. I'm not sure why there's just like this little plop of trees, but they're gorgeous trees. So anyway, we're just making our way, keep making our way south. We've already had quite a long day of riding, and but check this, guys. It is just, we keep coming around turns, and I know last year I kept saying, "Oh wow, oh wow." I don't care how many times you ride this road, guys. You're gonna still be. It's breathtaking. You gotta get out here and try this. As we are coming in, well, it looks like to Rugged Point, which is near the bottom part of Highway 1 close to Cambria. We ended up behind this extremely slow-moving car. So I figured, what a better reason to keep myself occupied, since I'm doing like second and third gear most of the time. But to say, hey guys, what we've shown you in all these video clips has been nothing more than a taste of the beauty that is Highway 1 between, now the section we rode today, and as you saw, here's a map real quick. We caught at Carmel-By-The-Sea, and we're taking it down to Cambria before we turn inland. And we'll go from rocky vistas into trees and then back again. We've been on some fairly twisty roads in the last little bit, but it's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. All right, honey, I'm going to put you on the spot again, but I'm going to answer the question first. My favorite thing of the day. And so far, my favorite thing has been, oh, this is going to be a good view. So far, my favorite thing has been, what was it, G16, I believe? Oh my gosh, that was some of the most awesome road. Some of it was so narrow, there was like no center line, but it was twisty. It was just fun. And despite getting behind a very, very slow-moving person who has traffic probably backed up about half a mile behind us, I mean, Highway 1 is always beautiful. Always, every single time. So anyway, guys, we're going to let Allie answer that question. What was your favorite part?
I thought you were going to forget.
Nope.
No, I liked Highway 1 and the parts where as you ride along and how it changes. you can be very, very close to the coast, and you can smell the salt water and the briny of the seaweed. And then you come into some of these old growth groves of, it must be cypress, because there's this fantastic smell.
Yeah.
And so not only is it beautiful and cool air, you got the variety of smells, variety of terrain. So for me, Highway 1.
Okay, no, it's not cool air. Let's call it what it is. It's actually warmed up to maybe the upper 60s in the middle of July. Into July. I'm not even sure what the date is right now. Anyway, it is, yeah, it's, oh, I know, the smells keep changing from, like you said, the cypress or the pine. I don't know what they are, but they're beautiful. Well, guys, I'm hoping here in a second as we come around a curve that we're going to pop up back by the water. But seriously, I know some of y'all give me some heartburn about being here in California, but it's stuff like that right there. It's some of the roads out here are absolutely spectacular. So anyway, guys, I hope that all of y'all have enjoyed coming along for this ride. It's been a good day. And hey, love.
Yep.
Thanks for sharing it with me.
Of course. And appreciate sharing it with everyone watching on YouTube.
Exactly.
That's why we do this,
this
is to
is
share
why,
it with them.
Yeah. That's exactly why we do this, is to be able to share it with you. So, guys, as we are heading out now, I hope everyone has a great time. So get out and ride. Go see the gorgeous things around where you live. When you do, have fun. Be safe. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Bye.